What's up, everybody? It's your girl Sunny Bunny back at it again with another banger. And today I will be taking you guys on a 7-day turmeric mask journey. So basically what a turmeric mask does, it just lightens up any dark spots that are on your face. And as I stated in previous videos, I do deal with hyperpigmentation, whether or not I leave my pimple alone or pop it. Regardless, it heals with these little dark spots. And I know a lot of people are like, your skin is fine, it's beautiful, but when you know it can be better, you make sure it's better. So that's all I'm doing. I'm gonna take you guys on a 7-day journey with me, making my own DIY turmeric mask. Now, this is not my first time using this mask. I have used it before and it has worked for me before. But what I shouldn't have done was stop using it. I stopped using it consistently once I saw it make a difference in my skin. And since then, dark spots have reoccurred. As you guys will get to see, I will track each day so that we can see if there's any changes along the process. And then on the final day, we'll make our final determination. You guys will be doing it with me. You guys will let me know what you think. So if this is a video that you think you will be interested in seeing, make sure you stay tuned, smash that like button, drop a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe and join the gang. And don't mind me, y'all, I'm deep conditioning my hair. Just took my micro links out, so stay tuned. So first I'm gonna be pouring my Indian Healing Clay, Bentonite clay, into this mask mixing bowl. That was kind of a tongue twister. I got this from Amazon, and honestly guys, I use this so much. I hope I have enough for this 7-day journey. But I just am going to put 1 scoop. And this mask can last you more than 1 day. So I just usually refrigerate it until I feel like it needs to be remade. So I put this much bentonite clay into my mixing bowl. Then I like to use the Bragg Mom apple cider vinegar. If it doesn't say with the mother, it's not the right one, okay? And as you can see, I use this a lot too. I need to replenish. Okay, right on Amazon after this is over. So I usually put it in the cap. And that's how I measure it. Okay, and it should start to sizzle, as you can probably hear. I will be putting some lemon juice. Lemon juice also assists with brightening the skin. I will be putting some pure honey. You don't need a lot. This is literally what it's looking like. I will be putting my turmeric. This is organic turmeric. This is the main ingredient. I'm a little extra, so I also add some aloe gel. And then I top it off with some Roseship Oil. Okay. Now these are the 2 tools that I use. I use the silicone brush to apply the mask, and I use this plastic brush to stir. So now I'm going to mix. So your mask should look something like this if you were to want to try this at home. pretty equal consistency. So now I will be using my silicone mask brush. I got this from Five and Below, and it's a Freeman mask brush, and I use all of Freeman's masks. I'm actually thinking about doing a mask Monday for you guys and reviewing all the different masks that I have. So if you think that's a video y'all would be interested in, let me know. But now I just use my silicone mask brush and apply the turmeric mask to my face. That is day 1 of the face mask, and I will check in again tomorrow. Please excuse my hair in some of these clips. The last one I was deep conditioning. This one I just washed my hair and put in some leave-in conditioner. So it really just looks like anything because I'm just letting it dry up and haven't done anything to it. So guys, these are my results from my turmeric mask journey. I started off doing a 7-day turmeric mask journey, and it didn't go that way because I didn't do it for 7 consecutive days. And so I just decided to change it to my turmeric mask journey in general because I've been consistently using the mask at least up to 3 times a week for 3 weeks. So these are my results. Now, I can't remember if I showed you guys in depth how my skin looked on day 1, but I definitely do see a difference. Some of these dark spots that I had here have definitely lightened up. They are definitely not as dark as they were when I first began, and some spots I don't see at all, which is great. So I definitely recommend this mask. I'm going to leave all the ingredients down in the description box below. This is so easy to make. Made this right at home with products that I already had, so it's not necessary for you to go out and purchase things unless you just don't have the products that I use. But I definitely recommend this for anyone who is trying to clear up any hyperpigmentation or dark spots that they may have gotten from any type of breakout. But this time I think I'm going to make sure that I keep it as a consistent part of my skin regimen. Even if I don't do it every day, I'm going to consistently add this into my skincare routine once a week. I hope that you loved this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you let me know what you thought in the comments down below, and please let me know what other videos you guys would be interested in me filming. I appreciate all your support, and make sure you tune in for my next video. Love you guys.
Say you got a girl. How you want me? How you want me?